don't understand why, but we're doing Skatteøen here in Djurs. It's a water roller coaster. We have 8 degrees.
You're going to be so prepared now.
Okay, wait, sorry guys. It's gonna be a strange POV. I'm gonna close stuff here. Okay, there we go. I just closed my the hood on my jacket. This is just utterly stupid, as you say. Luckily, we do have clothes in the car. Worst case scenario. Okay, here we go, guys. Skatteøen at Djurs Sommerland.
This is gonna be bad.
Mack rides, water roller coaster. So the persons that just went down now, they did it the 2nd time in a row. It was the 2nd time in a row now.
Why?
I don't know. It's already cold.
You have to ask them.
No, I'm not gonna ask them.
What's your problem?
Oh, I regret this so bad. I know it's a cred, but this is only for you guys, nothing else. Just to understand that.
And the curve.
Yeah, a little bit for the cred. No, I'm not kidding. It's mostly for the coaster art. Ah, no. This is just no. But this is the fun part of the coaster. This is great. This is awesome. The drop now is also fantastic. And the airtime. And then hell starts. Oh no, shit, my fucking god. Fuck, no. Oh, the amount of water is just bonkers. How are you? Oh.
Oh, it's so bad.
Oh, no. Why? That was cold.
It was very cold.
My hands. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, so.
I'm like crying.
Oh, before he did a jump scare here. Let's see if he does it now too. Great theming though. I have to give you that. Fantastic.
Great.
But the ride?